Hi, my name is Julian and today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually set up your Phantom wallet on the Solana network. I'm also going to be sharing with you how you can send and receive Solana step by step, so just follow along, and if you have any questions let me know in the description below. So the first step is you need to go to Google. You need to just Google Phantom wallet. So this is what you just need to Google, and then just click on the top bar here, phantom.app. And then just click on that, it should pop up. And now you need to add this to your Google Chrome. So just click add to Chrome and it'll take you to the Chrome store. Now you just click here, add to Chrome, add the extension, and you should be all set up. It should automatically pop up for you. We'll just wait for that to pop up. So now you need to actually create your wallet, or you can use recovery phases. Because for this reason, we're creating a brand new wallet. So we're gonna hit create a new wallet. So now this is your secrets recovery phase. These are important. Make sure to keep these secured somewhere, maybe in a diary, and just write them down in maybe multiple areas. So I'll just copy them, and then this is, like I said, this is your password. And then click OK, I've saved it somewhere. Now set up a password. Make sure to set up a password that isn't just too basic. I put a higher case and maybe a couple of numbers in there. That's what I personally do. Alright, so once you've done that, you just want to click agree to terms of service and then click save. Now you just want to click agree to terms of service. Now then you will be brought to here where you can actually use a keyboard shortcut to actually load up your Phantom wallet whenever you wish. But I'm just going to skip this, but you can do this if you wish. Now you can follow them on Twitter or visit the help center. Maybe bookmark these, could helpful in the future, and just click finish. Now if you come to this little button at the top right of Google Chrome, extensions, it's the extension button. It will just drop down and show all your extensions. I'm just going to pin my Phantom wallet. So this is a Phantom wallet here. I'm just going to pin it so it appears right here. So once I've pinned that, I can now show what's in my wallet here. So now I'm going to share with you how you can actually deposit Solana into your wallet, your Phantom wallet. So as you can see here, deposit here, just click in here. So you want to click this button here, send from wallet or exchange. So we're going to be sending it from an exchange. So this is your wallet address that you will need to copy and use to actually send the Solana to your Phantom wallet. Alright, so the next step is you need to actually transfer Solana. You need to have Solana on an exchange. So you need to be on an exchange. It doesn't matter which exchange you use. I personally like Binance and SwiftX the most. They're both my most favorited exchanges that I use right now. So for this example, I'm going to be using Binance. But personally, you can use any exchange as long as it has Solana on the exchange itself. So first up, you need to actually buy Solana. So you need to go to click this button here. You can click on buy with credit card or deposit with bank account. Buy the certain amount that you need. As long as the exchange has it. As you can see here, I'll just click on, so limit is 25. So you just want to click on here. So this is Solana here, and then just click continue. And then yeah, make sure you make payment. And then once you're on here, we want to go back into our wallet. Once you've bought it, it should be in your wallet. I'm just going to check my wallet now. Alright, so this is where I've put my Solana here. So now this is where my Solana is. So now all I do is click on withdraw my Solana, and I will go back to the Phantom wallet. Remember when I mentioned you needed to have the wallet address? So you need to click on this again, send from wallet or exchange. So this is your wallet address that you need to copy, and you need to put it into where they say the address here. So I'm just going to copy and paste it in there. So Solana network. I need to make sure it's on Solana network. Then you can click how much you want. You can type in how much you want. I'm just pressing max because I'm going to be sending it all, and then you just click withdraw. Alright, so now I've sent it, I've completed the actual transaction. It will take a little bit to withdraw. So as you can see, it does take up to 12 hours sometimes, but this is very rarely. Normally it's very quickly, maybe 10 minutes max, maybe a couple minutes max. But just say complete and you should be all ready to go. Alright, so now you should have Solana in your wallet. So as you can see, I've got Solana in my wallet. It shows me how much it's worth. Now I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually send the Solana back to the exchange. So if you want it to send it to an exchange or to another wallet, this is how you do it. So you just click here, click which one you want to send, and now you just need to actually have the Solana address. So now you want to go back to your wallet, or it could be another exchange. It could be, you could swap it to another exchange, it doesn't matter. So you click on fiat and spot, even Binance if you're using that. And now you want to find Solana. So I'm just going to use here. I'm just going to search it on here. So it's SOL. Here it is right here. I'm just going to click on it. So I'm just going to click here and go deposit. So once you click this deposit, you want to make sure you click once again the network, which is Solana network. This is going to be your address that you're going to send it to. So now let's go back to Phantom wallet. We click send again, Solana, click address, and copy and paste the address that I just got from here. So I just copied it from here. Now how much you want to send? I'm just going to send max because this isn't actually going to be my wallet. And then I click next. and then it's going to tell me the network fee, which is fine, it's nothing. And then click send. So as you can see, it has the transactions here. You can look at transactions on here, and you can also swap your actual Solana to USDT if you wish, or any other coin that's on here. This is where you actually find your NFTs if you do end up buying any NFTs on the Solana network, and this is where you can do all the transactions. So this is where you will send. So now to receive it, it's the same case, but it's a bit different. So you just want to click on deposit. Alright, so once it's been sent, it should appear in your Binance. We'll wait for that. Alright, so as you can see, I have received the Solana back in my exchange again. This can be done with any exchange or any other Solana wallet. All you need to have is the address, the Solana address. I also want to mention with you that there is some tricks. There is a little annoying here. So if you try to do this now, you just want to click on, if you want to receive Solana again, you just click on this and receive. There's the address as well. And if you want to do it another way, we'll just go back at the home page again. You click receive, and then you just type in which cryptocurrency you want to receive. So you want to receive Solana, so you just type it in, and there you go. That's your address, and then you can close that. I want to share with you some other things that you can look into in your wallet, in your Solana wallet. This here will be your transactions. All your transaction history will be in here. So as you can see, you received and you sent Solana. And this is where you can find your settings. So all your settings here. So you can actually set up addresses and stuff like that. So if you want to add like a wallet address and save it, you can put it in there. So you can automatically lock your wallet at any time. This is something that's good for security. And this is where you can actually show your recovery phases. So if you made a mistake and accidentally skipped and you didn't actually see your recovery phases, don't worry. As long as you remember your password, you can go and find them here and then put them in somewhere secure. You can also reset your security recovery phases if you wish. But you really want to be careful. Don't reset this unless you copy it to create a new copies of unless you write down your new secret recovery phases, and don't forget it. So that's how really simple it is to actually receive and send Solana. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.